Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be talking about building equations. So we know that when you build an equation, we have two numbers, an addition or a subtraction sign, an equal sign, and our answer. So without the numbers, it would look a little something like this. A couple of blanks. We have to fill those in. So let's talk about filling those in. Our first problem says we have 3 dogs. So if we know that our first number in the problem is 3, we're going to put a 3 in our number slot like this. So we have 3, and then we need to know the rest of the problem before we can fill out plus or minus and the other numbers, right? Okay, we have 3 dogs. Sally brings over 4 more dogs to play. So if we already had 3 and Sally is going to bring 4 more, we're not taking away that many. We're adding that many. So let's put a plus sign. So now our problem should look a little something like this. 3 plus. Sally brought over how many dogs again? You're right, 4. Let's put a 4 in our second blank. So we have our 3 dogs plus Sally's 4 dogs. Let's draw some dots to help us figure out what that answer is. 1, 2, 3 for our dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4 for Sally. So let's count them up together, why don't we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Our answer is 7. So let's write a 7 in our last blank. Now we have 3 plus 4 equals 7. Great job, boys and girls. Let's try one more. Okay. We have 7 cookies. Oh my goodness. That is so many cookies. Let's see what happens to them. So we know that 7 is our first number, so we're going to put it in our very first blank. 7 cookies. And then my mom took away 5 of them. So if we started with 7 and my mom took away 5, how many are we left with? 2. So we're not adding more cookies, we're having them taken away. So that means we're going to subtract 5 whole cookies from my pile. Let's draw our dots to figure it out. So we're going to draw 7 because that's our first number and we know we're subtracting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 dots down here at the bottom. Now we're going to cross out with a different color 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we crossed out, we are left with 1, 2. Good job. So we're going to put 2 in our very last spot. Now we know 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay, boys and girls, now it's your turn to try.